Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're going to tackle an interesting problem. So imagine you have a text file with multiple lines of information and you need to copy and paste each line one by one. That's a tedious task, right? Wouldn't it be great if there was a way to automate this process? Well, stay tuned because we've got a solution for you. Let's delve into the solution now. The script provided uses AutoHotKey to sequentially copy and paste lines from a text file. When you press F1, it increments the index variable, reads the corresponding line from the text file, copies it to the clipboard, displays a tooltip with the copied text for 3 seconds, and then moves on to the next line. Simple and efficient, right? This approach streamlines the copy-paste process, saving you time and effort. Building on the previous script, here's the continuation of the solution. By pressing F2, the script advances to the next line in the text file, reads it, and directly pastes it wherever your cursor is. This seamless integration allows you to swiftly transfer information without missing a beat. With just a few key presses, you can effortlessly copy and paste multiple lines of text with precision and ease. To wrap things up, we've explored a clever way to automate the copy-paste process for sequential lines in a text file using AutoHotKey. By following these scripts, you can efficiently manage and transfer information with minimal manual effort. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tech tips, hit the like button if you enjoyed it, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy automating.